Inside every cell of your body, a hidden code is constantly at work. A code that decides how you look, how you heal, and how you survive. In this cinematic 3D journey, we dive deep inside the cell to uncover the incredible process that turns DNA into life itself protein. This is not science fiction. This is happening inside you right now. Life's fundamental process, DNA to protein synthesis, begins within a cell. We zoom into the cell's nucleus, where our genetic story unfolds. Inside the nucleus, DNA forms chromosomes, which then unwind to expose the double helix. Transcription begins as RNA polymerase binds to a gene segment on the DNA. RNA polymerase moves along the DNA, creating an mRNA strand by matching complementary bases. This mRNA exits the nucleus through nuclear pores, venturing into the cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, the mRNA encounters a ribosome, which attaches to it. Now, translation begins. The ribosome reads the mRNA's codons, 3 base sequences, one by one. Transfer RNA, or tRNA, molecules arrive, each carrying a specific amino acid. Each tRNA's anticodon matches an mRNA codon, ensuring the correct amino acid is added. As the ribosome continues, amino acids link together, forming a polypeptide chain. Finally, this polypeptide chain folds into a unique 3D protein structure, ready to perform its function. What you've just seen is only a small part of the incredible system working inside your body every second. From DNA to protein, life is built with precision beyond imagination. If you enjoyed this journey inside the human body, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more hidden worlds with us.